All right, welcome back, my sixth graders. Let's go ahead and work these out. Just combine like terms to simplify each expression. Looks like I got all the even ones tonight. First, we're going to combine the like terms over here. Remember, we're not trying to solve these problems. We're just trying to find a simplified expression. So I'm going to be having to pair up all the things that have the same ending. I see this one ends in x squared. This one ends in x squared, right? Remember, like terms have the same variable to the same power. So this is x squared. These x squares are the same like term that we can combine. So I'll put the 21 over here, or 2.1, I should say. Over here, I'll put the 0.5. And now we see we have 3 minus 1. There's 3 minus 1. So now we just have to combine these two, and 20 or 2.1 minus 0.5, that's going to give me 1.6. X squared, and 3 minus 1, that's 2. All right, I got number 18. Number 18 says 5 plus 3w plus 3 minus w. We're going to group our w's together first, so we'll have 3w minus w. Be adding that to 5 plus 3. We know 3 minus 1, because there's always a 1 in front of our variable. 3w, that's like 3 watermelons minus 1 watermelon, that's 2 watermelons, so 2w. And then we have 5 plus 3, that's going to be 8. Next is number 20. I'm going to put my x's together first. So my 2x and my 3x will go together. I'm going to put my 5 plus 6 over here. Two x plus 3x, well, that's 5x. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So that'll give us 5x plus 11. I got number 22. This one says 3.4m plus 2.4m. That means I just stack these and add them up. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. So that means we got 5.8m. Number 24 has Q5 plus Q5 plus Q5, and that's simply 3 times Q5. I guess another way you could just write it as 3 Q5. Number 26, we got 1.5z to the second power plus 4.5 plus 6z minus 0.3 minus 3z minus z to the second power. I'm going to combine all my z squares first. So I have 1.5 z squared combine it with its like term, positive z squared, Next, I'm going to find my regular z's. There's a 6z here. And there's a minus 3z here. I don't see any others, so we'll leave these alone. I see we have 4.5 minus 0.3. And I believe that's all the terms. Should be 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So now, let's see, we got 1.5z squared plus z squared. That's going to give us 2.5z squared. Next over here, I see I have 6z minus 3z. That's going to leave us 3z. And then we have 4.3 minus, I believe this was minus 0.3. I don't know where this line came from. So that's going to give us 4.2. And I believe that's it. I can't combine these because they're not like terms. All right, as we head on down to number 8, or 28, I should say, we see it says write an algebraic expression for the perimeter of the swimming pool. All right. Now the perimeter is how far it is all the way around. So we know this is 2y plus 1, which means this side has to be 2y plus 1. So we got 2y plus 1 plus 2y plus 1 and then we have a y, and that means this side's a y. So plus y plus another y. And that could be one expression. On number 30, it says, justify the two expressions are equivalent. And I guess they mean because on number 29, you were supposed to write an expression over here. This is kind of going to be a spoiler because I know that 2y, I'm going to put all the y's together right now, plus 2y, plus y, plus y, that's going to equal 6y right there, right? And then we have 1 plus 1, so that's plus 1, plus 1. Now that's going to equal 6y minus, or plus 2, excuse me. Let's just substitute something in and see what we get. Let's just pretend that y is 3, okay? If I do that, that'd be 6 times 3 plus 2. Well, everyone knows that's 6 times 3 is 18. And 18 plus 2 equals 20. So what we would have to do is take whatever expression we made over here. We'd have to go ahead and see if the value is equivalent, because they said justify that the two expressions are equivalent. So whatever you came with over here, find the value of it And if they are equivalent, then you know the two expressions are the same. That's all of them that I had for tonight. Good luck on your work, and I'll see you in class. Oops, my apologies, everybody. I realize that there are 4 more problems here, so it looks like I have 2 more to do. Number 32 says, Annie said that she simplified the expression 6.5 times x plus 0.5x plus 1 by writing the equivalent expression, which she claims was 6.5x plus 3.25x plus 6.5. Do you agree? Well, let's take a look at this. I know that 6.5 times x will be 6.5x. And 3.5 times 0.5, we'll have to see what that is. Six 6.5 times, let's see, 0.5x. All right, so let's see if we get 3.25x. Well, we know I got 5 times 5 is 25. Uh, 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32. And we have 2 decimal places, one here and one here to deal with. So I have to move this back twice, and there we would get 3.25, and since it ends in x, that would be an x as well. All right, so that adds up, and now 6.5 times 1 gives us 6.5. So yes, I will agree. All right, and if they're asking me for a reason, I would have to say yes, comma, because they have equal value. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see, number 34. Write an equivalent expression for the expression shown below. I got 8 to the a over 3. I can write that as, let's see here, 3 times a over 3. All right. And that's it. Another way I could write, well, yeah, we're not multiplying, that's just adding. So yeah, 3 times it. All right, the rest of them are yours, and I am done now, so I will go ahead and talk with you guys later. See ya. You know, just when you think it's over, you realize one more thing. I realize if I am multiplying 3 times a over 3, that's going to give me 3a over 3, and that's 3 over 3, and that means that's going to be 1. Wow, this got really weird. I guess you could just turn this to a, because this is a over 1, and anything over 1 is itself. So yeah, a would be my final answer. I can't see any other thing to do with that. All right, that's it. We'll grade this in tomorrow. Sorry for all the confusion on the last one. Got trickier and trickier as I looked at it. Hopefully I clarified it well for you though.